In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy all Google Calendar events. We'll use a simple Google Calendar add-on to duplicate events from one calendar to another or shift an entire schedule to new dates, all without manual copying. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account that holds the events you want to copy. On the right-hand side, look for the vertical sidebar and click the Get Add-ons button. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type GTL and select the result called GCal Extras. Click Install. You'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the one that matches the calendar you're working with. Click Continue, then allow to grant the necessary permissions. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Done and close the Marketplace window. Back in Google Calendar, open GCal Extras from the right-hand sidebar. Inside the add-on panel, click the three dots to open its menu, then choose Copy, Move. This tool handles bulk copying for you. First, set the source calendar. Choose the calendar that currently holds the events you want to copy. If your events are on your primary calendar, select the one labeled My Calendar. Next, choose the target calendar, which is where the copies will go. To keep things organized, click New to create a fresh destination calendar. This makes it easy to review the results and, if needed, remove them later without touching your original. Now choose the date range you want to copy by selecting a start date and an end date. This range controls which events are included. Click OK to confirm. You'll then set a new start date, which is the date on the target calendar where you want the copy timeline to begin. The add-on keeps the spacing between events and shifts the entire block relative to this new start. When you're ready, click Copy Events. The add-on will begin processing. If you're copying a large range or lots of recurring events, this can take a little while, so let it load. When it completes, you'll see confirmation, and your target calendar will contain copies of all selected events. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Spot check a handful of events on the target calendar to verify times, locations, and reminders. Toggle the calendars on and off to compare originals and copies. If you used a new calendar as the target, you can undo the entire copy by removing that calendar. And if your goal is to relocate events rather than duplicate them, the same menu offers Move as an option. That's it. Your Google Calendar events are now copied.